Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video we will discuss about that how can we shop anything from Walmart. This is one of the widest shopping platforms, so just you have to open it on Google Chrome, the Walmart official website. We will click on it and just simply open it. My friend, you need to log in to it, log in or sign in. So I will sign in, or you can create your account here. So I just simply sign in and you can see my cart here, item already added in it. Yes, this is my name and all history are there. So firstly you need to search the item you want to buy. Like I want to buy a laptop, so just shop now, click on shop now on your laptop deal and add it to your cart. When you add to your cart, you have to edit your address, your mobile number, your payment address and everything on there. I am not going to buy it really, but I am showing to you. You can see my address here and all the other details. So when you continue, your order will be placed successfully. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if like.